Hi everyone, how are you? Well, I am partially through my install. It's taken a little bit longer than I expected, only because I was a walk-in, so you know it's taken a little bit longer. But I am completely in love with this hair. It is so pretty, guys. When I say I can run my fingers through it, like look at this. You're not getting out with every hair, and I mean, like I said, I'm a hairstylist myself, and so I've seen quite a few different types of virgin hair, and this hair just it honestly cannot compare to anything else that I've seen. It is the best on the market, guys. It's just so smooth, so silky. It doesn't shed at all. The ends aren't frayed like most hair that I've seen. The color though, it is close to a 1V or a 2, and that's the natural color that I got for the hair. It's the natural color that it comes in. I'm not sure if you can see the color. I'm gonna lean up in the sunlight. Yeah, I'm sitting in my car because I came out to snap this video just real quick so that I can give you guys an update. I know it's been quite a while since my first upload. But what I did is I left my hair out all the way around the edges, and you can see I got a little bit of thinning right here. But I left my hair out all the way around the edges just so that I'm able to pull it up into a ponytail once I decide that I want to. But guys, I'm almost halfway through my hair, and I haven't even completed a full bundle yet. So that's awesome in itself because these hairs normally, especially with longer lengths, you don't get much width in the bundle, so you have to use about 2.5, 3 bundles. And my head is already small, but this hair, I'm almost done at the top. I don't know if you can see. I have the braids right here, and this is where my braids stop. I'm already up here, which is halfway done, and I still have a complete pack of hair left, a complete bundle of hair. So guys, this is awesome. I'm so excited, so ready to get this hair in and start wearing it. I'm still debating if I'm going to do the celebrity curls today, or if I'm going to wear it in its natural state, or if I'm going to get it straightened. I don't know yet, but I'm hoping that I'll have some answers for you guys soon. But yes, this is just an update on the hair. And again, guys, I'm going to be updating you every week and letting you know how this hair goes, just so that you guys know. Like I said, I love the hair. I've used it a couple times on different clients. I am a distributor of the hair. So with that being said, of course, I want to promote it as much as possible. But I'm going to also give you my honest opinion about the hair. Okay, so guys, just let me know what you think. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the hair. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Alright, well, I'm going to come back in a couple hours or so whenever I'm done with the hair. Okay, thank you guys for listening. Rate, comment, subscribe. And again, this hair is Eurasian, and I have the 21-inch hair. So it comes a little bit under my bust line. So yeah, guys, just let me know what you think. Bye.